Okay, in the city we got the rear carriage house that needs a gutter going across this full lower length in brown. And then we got to get the upper gutter's okay on the dormer, but it's missing the drop tube and the gooseneck. So we should be able to get a ladder off of this porch up above that window and get that gooseneck mounted into the downspout, and then do a double delivery of L's in the lower gutter here, and bring that with a commercial size downspout there. That'll be one option. We want to get this before the awning gets put up in May too. And then on the main house, on the front house, we've got a downspout coming here out of the scupper box, which is blown apart from the ice, and another one around the side of this bay window here. So we're going to take the spout apart, clean our scupper rods, make sure the gutter's cleaned out, and we're going to run our heat tracer, our self-regulating heat tracer up the spout. We'll end up with a whip coming out here to tie into a power source. We're going to need a 20 amp dedicated circuit to run these two, and then there's one on the other side, right about in the middle of the gutter. You can see how that's all torn apart from the ice. The customer needs to take and run a garden hose in these drain towels that run for 20 minutes or so, and make sure that they're taking on water and not backing up. If they're backing up, then they might be able to get them snaked or something else. No problems with the porch. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, and then they'll inspect the roof and report when they get up there too. Get some pictures of that Yankee gutter.